Good morning, students. Today we will revise lesson number 2 of civics. I already gave you the test. So in this video, first of all, I will revise the chapter with you, the exercises. Okay. So get ready. Tick the correct answers. The first one, it is a prohibition on the use of intoxicating drinks. This policy can be classified under the heads of Gandhian principles. Second, how many articles deal with the directive principles of state policies? It is 16. Please see whether you people have marked the correct answers or not. From where was the idea of the directive principles borrowed? It is Irish Constitution. Next, there should be compulsory and free education for all children up to the age of 14. Next, directive principles of state policies are guidelines for government. They are the guidelines for government. Now, fill-ups. Directive principles are given in part 4th of the Constitution of India. The state shall endeavour to provide employment to every individual. It will be coming under the economic equality. Third one, shall work for the separation of the executive, judicial powers. It will be concerned with the law, justice and administration. Fourth one, uniform system of civil and criminal laws. This will be coming under miscellaneous functions. And the last one, there should be prohibition as to the use of intoxicating drinks and other drugs. That will be coming under the Gandhian principles. I am repeating again. The first one, it is the part 4th. Second one, economic equality. Third one, law, justice and administration. Fourth one, miscellaneous, and the fifth one, it is the Gandhian principles. Now column A to B, directive principles are non-justable. Directive principles are non-justable. Second, the judiciary should be separated from executive. Judiciary should be separated from executive. Children up to the age of 14 should be given free and compulsory education. Should be given free and compulsory education, and the code of conduct should be common and uniform for all sections of the society. Should be common and uniform for all sections of the society. Now true or false, that is the institution of the Panchayati Raj, it's a false. Second one, again false. Third one, it is true. Fourth one, false. And fifth one, it is false. Again, first one it is false, second one it is false, third one it is true, fourth one it is false, and fifth one it is also false. So these were the true and false. Now the question answers I have already marked with you. Please go through the question answers. If you are having any doubt in the question answers of this chapter, please you can ask me in your doubt class. So next week, this week again I am giving you to prepare this chapter properly, and next week I will be in the next video, you will get the test paper of this chapter. Thank you, students.